Oh, it's been incredible. The attorneys here, whether it's, my direct partner who's been absolutely incredible, he always takes time to sit down, go through the work that I've done, tell me the things that I did well, the things I didn't do well, the reasons why, the things to remember in the future. And on top of that, the associates that we have, that are not my partners, but the other associates, they're always eager to answer my questions. They have no problem when I come up. They will go above and beyond really in answering my questions and give me more resources, things to look at, and things I should read on my free time. They've been really incredible.
I gotta say, Mr. Tyrell Bear is the best mentor in this team. Oftentimes, because I'm a student, I have never done anything ever. So whenever I have a new assignment and I want to ask him about how to do things, he will go over to my desk, step by step, going through every decision he made while he was doing similar assignments before, and tell me the rationales and really help me sort through my ideas and outline my thoughts. And that was really, really helpful.
Having times where we get to interact with attorneys outside of work and learning how they go about their personal lives and balancing work. I really think almost the most beneficial thing hasn't been a single attorney giving me a piece of feedback. It's been the culmination of understanding how everybody works different and that it's all good because we have this single focus at the end of the day.
I think that the firm has a really good balance of challenging associates and supporting them. A lot of times that I was given assignments, I wasn't given a lot of support at the outset, which was actually really valuable because it gave me that opportunity to try and challenge myself and just kind of learn through doing. But then after that kind of first shot, I was always getting really valuable feedback to help me in learning and growing. That the next time I was given an assignment, I was ready to go without a ton of need for coaching at the outset. So I think there's been really good support and also a lot of autonomy and the ability to try.
I feel like the trope of a lawyer is that they're always busy, that they never have the time to do things that they want to do, that they never have the time to really focus on things outside of work. And I was pleasantly surprised that almost every time I asked for feedback or I had a question about something I was working on, the lawyers and the attorneys and all of the staff here at JB were available and there to give me what I needed to succeed.